Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. For today's video, I have got another Umikk gel polish collection to show you. This is called the Chameleon collection. This collection looks absolutely incredible. I recently saw Nails with Gigi show it on her channel and I just knew I had to have it. It looks absolutely incredible, just so sparkly, so colourful, really nice. So I have got this collection here to show you today. This collection comes in such a cute, tiny little diddy box. It's a bit hard for me to show you because where my camera is at. This collection, as you can kind of see, comes with 5 different colours and then also a black. This kit is suitable over any nails, natural nails, polygel nails, acrylic nails, hard gel nails, pretty much anything they are good for. They are made from natural resin. They do need curing underneath your lamp. You can cure them underneath your LED lamp for 60 seconds or under UV lamp for 90 seconds. They also nail strengthening and very long lasting, up to 21 days. I will pop a couple of images up on the screen of how this collection looks. It is available to buy on Amazon. Full price it is £15.99, which is really affordable for a gel polish collection like this one. It looks very unique, super sparkly, and just something I feel like we are all going to want in our collections. It just looks really nice. I will link Ginas' video down in the description box if you'd like to check that out as well. She has reviewed quite a few of the Umikk gel polish sets now. Her video is absolutely amazing, so definitely go and subscribe to her channel if you haven't already. If you like these sort of videos, she's the one to go to. She quite regularly does these sort of videos, as well as Amazon, AliExpress hauls, etc. But let's jump into the video anyway and have a look at these products. I really hope you all enjoy the video. If you do, please remember to like, subscribe and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And other than that, let's dive into the video. So this is what the bottles look like. They are 7.5ml bottles. They are glass bottles with a little label on them. You do have all the ingredients and instructions on the back there. You've also got your cautionary guidelines like keep away from children, it's not edible, and keep it away from fire. They say to do a skin test before use, which is always sensible when using new products. And it's got a 24-month life on it as well, which is quite good because some are only 12 months. On the top here you do have the number of the product and also a little sticker to sort of give you an idea of what colour is inside of the bottle. So like I said, we have got 5 colours and then we have also got the black. So first of all, I'm going to swatch the black and we're going to see what that's like, and then we're going to swatch the colours. So with the colours today, I am going to test them all on a black base. I'm going to test them all on a clear base, and I'm also going to test them on a white base and see how they look like that. This black looks okay. I'd say it's going to need 2 coats, but for 1 coat that isn't bad. So I'm going to whack this underneath my LED lamp for 60 seconds and then I'm going to give it another coat and cure that again. But yeah, that is 1 coat of the black that comes in this collection. I'm just going to try and show you a little bit of what the consistency is like with these gels. It was a really terrible shot, wasn't it? It's really hard to show you because black bottle, black gel. But it's got a really nice consistency to it. It's not thick and lumpy at all. It's not too runny. It's absolutely bang on what I would prefer in a gel polish. It applies really smooth, next to no odour. So I do really like that. So the first of the colours I'm going to swatch is this one here, which is U116. Wow, you guys will see why I had to have this collection. It is incredible. So like I said, I'm going to swatch them on black, clear and on white so we can see what they look like. These you can put over any colour though, any colour of your choice, and they will look absolutely stunning. Truly stunning. The consistency of these is really nice again, just like the black gel polish. Considering it has got glitter in it, it's not all thick and lumpy like some gel polishes can be. So I really like that. So that is that one swatched over a black base. Next up, I'm going to swatch over a white base. I am using the white from the Viva City Summer Collection from Umikk, number U240. Really nice white. And then let's just go in and see what it's like. See, it looks like it has got some black or sort of grey maybe, but I'd say probably black sort of gel in it with the glitter. As you can see, it's sort of got quite a sheer sort of black look to it in the background there, but it's still really beautiful. Okay, and then I'm just going to do it on a clear swatch stick, as in the picture on the advertisement they had done a load on clear swatch sticks, or tips should I say. Like, you guys can see that. It's so beautiful. Okay, so there we go, that is them swatched over black, white and clear. I have given them 2 coats just so you guys can get to see the true colour, but I don't think they really need it. I think 1 coat is more than enough with them. But yeah, that is the U116 from this collection. Next up, we have got this one here, which is U115. This one has got to be one of my favourites. It's so nice. Look at that colour. I will go through and I will give these I will go through and do half and half matte and glossy top coat at the end as well, and show you what they look like with the gloss top coat and matte top coat from Umikk. But I'm obsessed with these. I don't have nothing like these, you see. So when I saw them, I was just in absolute awe because they are just so pretty. This one's kind of like purple and blue. And the little glitter pigments inside of it are so fine as well, so it's just so nice to work with. But like, look at that. The camera's totally not doing them justice either. They are just so bloody beautiful. I love them. Okay, then we're going in over the white. Oh, look at that colour. This colour is beautiful. I really like that over the white, actually. That's really, really, really nice. Such a bright, vibrant purple. I hate these swatch sticks. You've probably seen me using these swatch sticks a lot lately, and gel polish just doesn't like to stick to the apex of the swatch stick. It's been really getting on my nerves. I'm being so soft and gentle. I'm just gliding the gel polish over. But again, it sticks to that apex area is a nightmare. But anyways, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Right, and then we are going on to the clear. Just so pretty. So see, they are quite sheer when you look at them like this, but you know, if you just want a jelly effect with them, absolutely perfect, because jelly nails have been quite popular just recently, and I'm seeing a lot of new jelly polish coming out. They're great for summer. So if you just want a jelly nail effect, these are great for that. Or as you would have seen, if you want sort of more sort of opaque pigment, then just use a white or black base with them. But yeah, there's many options of these sort of gels. So again, that's 2 coats of this one here, which is U115, over a black, white and a clear. Aren't they beautiful? I really like this one, actually. I think this is probably going to be one of my new favourite gel polishes, and it might end up on my nails after this video. But I absolutely love that. That is so beautiful. So, so, so beautiful. Next up, we're going to go in with this one here, which is U114. This one looks incredible. So it's got like a pink base, but sort of green iridescent glitter inside of it. It's really nice. I look forward to seeing what this one looks like over the white with that pink base. You know, that's just 1 coat as well. Like I said, it doesn't really need 2 coats. I'm just sort of doing 2 coats to give you guys a sort of full effect, but you just don't really need it, do you? They're just so nice. Alright, so yeah, this is the one I'm excited for. Yeah, look at that. That pink base comes through. That's just, yeah, utterly amazing. Truly. I really, really, really like these. I just see that. And then in over a clear. Yeah, that pink's coming through nicely again. So you can't really see the pink at all over the black, but if you do want that pink to come through, as you can see, you can either do it like this and get a jelly effect, or just put it over the white, and that pink truly pops with the iridescent sort of goldy green sparkles inside of the gel. So there we have it. We have got 2 coats of the U114. I think you guys can see clearly why I'm so excited about this collection. Look at them. Next up, we've got this one, which is U113. Oh, this one looks amazing as well. Yeah, I like that. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous blue that is. I'll tell you what, Umikk are really coming through with the beautiful, beautiful collections. I think I said in my last video, the Viva City summer collection, that was probably my favourite collection I've ever had. Yeah, this one could be my new favourite collection I've ever had. I love all my Umikk, so they've just really, really, really just come through with the beautiful quality, pigmented, gorgeous range of colours. You know, just their gel polishes are incredible. I don't even know if I was in frame there. I apologise, but look how beautiful that is. Oh, I can't get enough of them. Right, let's go in over the white. Oh, such a pretty blue. I just love them. Amazing. Okay, and then the clear. So this one looks like it's got more of like a clear base, or very, very, very subtle blue. Like, imagine being sat on a beach in the bright sunshine with these sort of nails. How much they would sparkle. These are probably giving me mermaid vibes. I wish you guys could see properly what I'm seeing with my own eyes. I just don't quite feel like camera's doing them all that much justice, but they are just incredible. Okay, so last but not least, we have got U112. This one looks so pretty. Oh, look at that. I'm just like staring at it, and oh, it's just so pretty. I'm so excited about these. Over the white. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. We like it a lot. We don't just like it, we love it. Look at that. The yellow base is just, yeah, perfection. Like, how good is this for summer though? All the colours are really good for the summer, but I don't even know which one's my favourite anymore because I like them all too much. Yeah, I love it. Right, let's get it over a clear. Oh, I'm doing my little happy dance here, having a little bit of a wiggle. I can't wait to use some of these on my own nails. Maybe I should do a full set of nails on my own hands with every single colour. I like it a lot. Okay, so for a bit of fun and out of pure curiosity, I'm going to put all the colours on top of each other. I'm going to do a really, really, really thin coat of them. I'm just going to put each and every one on top of the black and the white. And let's just see. It might end up looking awful and I might not bother inserting the clip, but my curiosity is getting the better of me here. So I'm just whacking a layer of the yellow on top of the black and white. Unfortunately, I can't do it on clear because I haven't got a clear swatch stick here. I really need to order some more. I've just ordered some black swatch sticks actually after watching Ginas video because I didn't realise you could get black swatch sticks. Now, I save a lot of time and a lot of product having some of those, so I went on AliExpress and ordered myself some. Okay, so I'm going with the blue now. I'm curing in between, by the way, like I said, 60 seconds. And like I said, this might end up looking terrible, but I was just curious. Could be a really cool effect. But yeah, I don't know how it's going to look because there's obviously quite a few different colour bases. I feel like the blue is going to be the more prominent one out of them all. But just quite like the idea of the mixture of sparkles. Alright, so this is the pink one. But as you saw on my swatches, the pink doesn't really come through on top of the black, but it comes through really well on top of the white and clear. But it's pretty much just like greeny gold glitter with this one. But I should add, yeah, an interesting little colour to this one. You can already see all the different glitter pigments. It looks amazing. Okay, now we've got the purple one over the white. That purple's proper popping on that one. But I feel like the next one, the greeny blue one's gonna proper overpower all the colours and just be like more of a sort of blue base, I reckon. Okay, so the last and final layer. Yeah, you can definitely see like all the colours in there, but I would say the blues and the greens are overtaking. And look at the sparkle. Gorgeous. What do you reckon? Kind of funky. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give them all a layer of top coat, and then I'm going to do half a swatch stick with the matte top coat from Umikk. These are both from the Viva City summer collection again, but I believe you can buy their top coat and base coats separately without any colour gel. I'm not 100% sure, but I think you can. But I will leave links to everything in the description box anyway if you'd like to check them out for yourselves, because they are really affordable and they are really nice top coats. This matte top coat is my all-time favourite. It is so matte and so beautiful. I truly love it and highly recommend them. Okay, so that is the two swatch sticks that have all the colours swatched on them. You can definitely, when you look close up, I just don't know if the camera's really doing it justice, you can definitely see the mixture of different colours. I don't know, it's just something I had to try, and I don't know if anyone else would have been curious too, so yeah, I think it still looks really cool though. You can definitely see more like the rainbow sort of going on in this one. I really like them though. Okay, so it is really hard to hold all of these so they're visible, but this is all the individual colours swatched. Just look at them all, they're so pretty. I really like this collection. There's such a beautiful range of colours here. They look incredible over black, white, clear, and like I said, you can put them over any colour you choose to. There really aren't no limits when it comes to a collection like this. You're just going to have the most incredible looking sparkly nails ever, and I definitely would recommend. They are so nice to work with, and they are just really mesmerising, eye-catching, and just absolutely stunning. I can't pick a favourite. I really can't pick a favourite because I do love them all so much. So yes, they are very much on my recommendation list. I give them a massive thumbs up. Massive thank you to Umikk for letting me review this collection. I adore them so much. Yeah, I'm really happy with these. I'm really happy, and they will definitely be going on my nails very soon. So yeah, like I said, I will leave links to everything I've talked about in this video in my description box. I will leave a link for Ginas video. I will leave a link to my two previous videos I've done on the Umikk gel polish. If you'd like to check those out as well, it would be much appreciated. And yeah, this is a very affordable brand, and they are really truly top quality. If you like Beetles gel polish, you would love these because they are very much on par with Beetles gel polish, and I know Beetles is a very popular brand, so you guys absolutely love these too. Same price point, same quality, they are just absolutely amazing, so highly recommend them. But other than that, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it hasn't been too long. If you have enjoyed it and you'd like to see more videos like this, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day, whatever you're doing. Much love to you all. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!